Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working after iOS 26 update. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Is your iPhone's Bluetooth refusing to work after updating to iOS 26? Maybe you're having trouble connecting, the connection keeps dropping, or the audio is glitching. So let's fix this. The first thing you should try is resetting your network settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and VPN settings and return them to their default state. This step helps clear out any bugs or corrupted settings from the iOS 26 update that may be stopping Bluetooth from working. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and pair your Bluetooth devices again. Next, go back to the main settings page and open the Bluetooth section. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple refresh can sometimes fix connection issues immediately. If your Bluetooth device connects but there's no sound or the audio is glitching, tap the small eye icon next to the connected device and select Forget this device. After that, put your headphones, speaker, or other Bluetooth device back into pairing mode and reconnect it to your iPhone. This creates a fresh connection and often resolves playback problems. You should also restart the Bluetooth device itself. Turn your headphones or speaker off, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. Another common issue is when Bluetooth headphones are connected to more than one device at the same time, such as a laptop and your iPhone. Make sure they're disconnected from any other devices and then reconnect them only to your iPhone. Another important step is to check for software updates. Open Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update. If there's a new iOS update available, download it and install it. Apple often releases updates with bug fixes and performance improvements that can fix Bluetooth issues caused by iOS 26. If you're still having problems, the issue may not be with your iPhone at all. Try connecting a different Bluetooth device to your phone. The final solution is to reset all settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then open General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then tap Reset All Settings. This will not delete your photos, videos, apps, or personal data. It simply restores all system settings, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, and wallpapers. In most situations, one of these solutions will fix Bluetooth problems after the iOS 26 update. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Bluetooth not working after iOS 26. So that's all for this video. Thanks.